everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today's episode is going to be about lamb Youvetsi. It's one of the main dishes that they serve in Greek festivals, which is lamb shank with orzo. So today I'm going to show you how you can do it at home and enjoy it. So let's start. My ingredients for today are 4 lamb shanks. I have 1 large onion. I have 4 cloves of garlic sliced in small slices. I have 1 cup of orzo, and this is a small orzo that I found in the local store. If you have a Mediterranean store near you, you can find the long ones, and that's what they use in Greece. I'm going to use fresh herbs today. I have oregano and rosemary. They were just small 4 branches. Here my spices are salt, pepper, bay leaves, and 1 stick of cinnamon. I have tomato sauce. Ingredients are 3 small or medium-sized tomatoes with 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. I have 2 cups of boiling water, and I have olive oil. I started by adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a frying pan. And this is a cast iron pan. And while the oil is heating, I'm going to add some salt and pepper on the lamb shank. Now it's ready. The oil is ready. I'm going to add each one. I want to seal it so that the juice stays inside. So that's why I'm frying it at the beginning. And I will wait a little bit and then fry it on the other side. While the lamb is frying, I'm going to start preparing the tomato sauce. So I will add the onions. I will stir fry it until it's golden color. I think my lamb is ready to be turned on the other side. I will keep turning it on all sides so that it's all brown. Now I'm going to prepare the tomato sauce because while the onion is frying and the lamb is frying, I have some time, so I'm going to use my food processor for the tomato and the tomato paste. Now the tomato sauce is ready and the onions are ready. I'm going to add the garlic. And I will continue stirring. You just want it to be golden color, not dark, because it's going to bake in the oven for a long time. We'll take a look now at the lamb and make sure it's getting the brown color on all sides. I'm going to prepare my oven on 375 degrees Fahrenheit, because once I put everything together, I have to have my oven ready to put the Dutch oven in. Now the onions and the garlic are ready. I'm going to add my tomato. I will wait until it starts boiling a little bit, and then I will add the boiling water. Now it's boiling, the tomato sauce, and I will add the boiling water. These are 2 cups of boiling water. And then I will add the rest of salt and pepper and the bay leaves. I will add the herbs at the end. Now I can also add my stick of cinnamon. I will check on the meat to see if it's ready. I'm going to add the herbs now. I will mix. Then I'm going to put the lamb shank, brown and ready now. I will cover it and I will bake it for 1 hour and 15 minutes and then check on it. Now I'm going to fry the orzo so that I prevent it from getting soft and mushy. So I put here 1 big tablespoon of oil, and here I will put my orzo and I will fry. And you do this step when there is only 15 minutes left for the lamb shank to cook. So you add it in the last 15 minutes because it takes only 15 minutes to cook in the oven. I didn't put a lot of oil because there are a lot of fats in the lamb. Now I'm going to open the pot and show you how it looks like. It looks amazing and smells amazing. And this was 1 hour and 15 minutes. So now I'm going to add my orzo. Mix a little bit. Now I will cover again and put it in the oven covered for 15 minutes and then uncover it for another 15 minutes. I just took out my pot from the oven, and as you see, it looks amazing and smells amazing. This is how you present it. That's the lamb shank with a lot of orzo and some sauce, and you enjoy it with your family and friends. I hope that you enjoyed my lamb Youvetsi episode today. I hope that you try it and enjoy it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments below how it goes. Bye and see you next time.